Mario, could you tell me why it's somehow freezing a little bit now? I'll check outside. No, I'll check outside. You stay here. Why is it freezing outside? Like, what is the temperature? Wait. Is it seriously snowing? Oh Mario, I found a problem. What? It's snowing out there. Oh wow, we finally got snow? Yeah. Like, oh my. It's like a blizzard out there. I wish we were in Florida right now. Why? Because they never get snow there. Oh yeah, that's true. It's rare for them to get snow. Shall we turn on, like, the news? Sure. Breaking news, it's snowing out there and I broke into someone's house, so... Oh, it's freezing out there. Okay, come on Jim, we gotta keep going because there's a massive storm out there. No one's around here to arrest us. Shall we take a look outside? As you see here, it's freezing cold out here. I'm wearing a t-shirt because I'm an idiot. I have to check if it's real snow real quick. It tastes like real snow to me. Okay, well that guy broke into our house, so what are you gonna do? You can walk home. Okay, Jim, as you see here. Hey, don't close the door! Don't close the door! Luigi? What did you just do? Well, I locked the person outside. He's going to freeze to death, Luigi. Well, who cares? He broke into our house with his cameraman. Okay, so we're locked outside right now in the freezing snow. So, if anyone's getting this message, I'm freezing. I know there's 2 cars over there, but I don't have the key. We walked here. We walked all the way here. It took us 3 hours to walk here, but it was worth it. We're going to freeze to death out here, so... yeah. Mario, we should really help the guy now. I feel a little sad. Wait, if he walked all the way here, well, how come he didn't... Luigi, you know if we spend too long outside, we're going to freeze to death. Trust me, I think he's still alive. You sure, Luigi? Yeah, I'll check on him later. How much later? Let's see. 3:30. 3:39, I'll check on him. Okay, what were you saying? Anyways, I'm making, whatever this is for, supper. And KFC is for dessert. Go. No, wait. What? That's treat? What? Oh, it's go. Oh, go. There's nothing we can work here in the fridge. Wait, is that pizza? Oh, the pizza's so bad. Yeah, since 5 months ago. 5 months ago. Oh, it's 3:39. I'll check on him. Cat go. I'll close the door just in case a cat feels like sneaking out. Okay, where are you? Oh. Wait, where's the... Oh, he's God. He's dead. Man, he's just straight up dead. Wait, where's the camera guy? Just leave him? The camera guy just... He's straight up dead, man. He's straight up. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Rest in peace. Straight up dead, man. He's straight up dead. Luigi, what? So what happened? That guy is just straight up dead. What? He froze to death and you didn't grab the body? God dang it. Of course. I always gotta grab the body. Oh, I know I'm gonna freeze to death out there. Okay. Good word. Okay, there's the body. Okay. Oh. Yeah, it's not alive anymore. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's you strip. He's strip. Well, I got the body, Mario. Well, how's he doing? He's doing alright. He's straight. Oh boy, Mario. Oh boy. Lordy-do. 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 It's is that the part? Yeah. Oh man, Luigi, you're the one. No, he froze to death. He froze to death? Yeah, because, like, he just wore a t-shirt. Well, that's kind of stupid of him. Yes, Mario, we're going to jail. Yep, he's straight up dead. How's that already doing the body? I have to get rid of it, man. No, Bowser, don't. Fine, what else do you want me to do with the body? We don't have a sled. Oh, there's no way we can find one now, because none of us are walking over there. Wait, don't you have a car? I do, but it's out of gas. And I lost the key because I traded it with a knockoff version of Samsung. Wait, what was the name? Among. Wait, what's so different? Watch. Among, turn on TV. I don't know that process. What's a TV? Among, turn yourself on. What's an Among? My name is Samsung. Well, yeah, I agree with you. That is indeed broken. Still, what are we going to do with the dead body? Oh, Cousin Mario says hello. Wait, Cousin Mario? He's not dead. He's not dead. Oh, he says okay. Oh no, he's leaving, Mario. Get back here. Okay, come with me. Okay. Luigi, what did you do? I knocked him out so hard. He can't even wake up. He's like in a coma. Great, Luigi. 2 people are dead. No, he's just in the coma. Luigi, you know people in coma can never survive. 50 of them live while the rest die. Okay, we need to get rid of 2 bodies now. 2 witnesses. But... Okay, I knocked him. Luigi, call Luca. No, Mario, no cops, okay. That game. I'm gonna start with this body. Luigi! you? Okay, now we just gotta get rid of that body and we're safe. Mario, Luigi, you seriously threw Bowser in the freezer. You threw Cousin Mario outside. Well, Mario, it's the only way we can be safe. I'm not dying today, Mario. Luigi. I'm gonna look around. I'm looking around. Wait. Mario's a witness too. Oh no. God, Mario, he knows too much. Mario knows too much. Mario? What is it, Luigi? Luigi, put down that gun! Mario. I'm sorry. You know too much. Get outside. You're king, right? Get outside. Go. Fine, I'll go outside. Luigi, this is not safe. Luigi, I put the freeze up here. I'm sorry, Mario. You know too much. Luigi, get me out of here. I'm going to freeze to death here. Unlock the door. Mario, you know too much. Luigi, I'm freezing out here. Mario, you know too much. Luigi, I'm going to freeze out here. I'm going to prison, man. I'm going to prison. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Because you. No. Is hibernation over yet? Wait, I said you died. No, I was just frozen. I was in a coma because I was too cold. That's why my heart stopped. You just showed me a doctor. I'll be on my way. My camera guy said he called the ambulance. Like, before he left. Goodbye. Well, I think everything worked out at the end. Luigi, you better put your hands up. We have cops surrounded because of the murder of your two friends. And we have a camera inside your freezer. A Bowser still stuffed in there. Come out lightly. Or come out with your hands up, whatever the word is. No, I'm not going back like that. Maybe if I shook the bell inside, maybe they're going to forgive me. Luigi, this is no time for practical joke. There you are. You're not taking me, cops. Mario. Mario. I don't want to stick the dog. Come on, Mario. You can't take me, cop. Luigi. Luigi. Bowser. Bowser's...